We keep relying on a tight emotional bond with the indigenous can openers to facilitate our mission on planet Omega-3, while overloading the emotional receptors with cuteness. We experienced a malfunction. Damage was inflicted to the thin packaging of the can opener organism, whereupon a mysterious liquid was released from the damaged area. Without hesitation, I commenced the microbiological analysis of this mysterious liquid emanating from the can opener's surface. For when I see red, I go, This mysterious dense liquid contains a particular type of cell in extremely high concentrations. These cells have no nucleus and are extremely rich in iron. The iron content gives the liquid a distinctive red appearance and showing a strong affinity to certain gases in the planet's atmosphere. This liquid is referred to as blood. Bloody hell! An exclamation the damaged can opener uttered still remains a mystery. How fascinating. I wonder if this expression is somehow related to this red can opener liquid. During my microscopic analysis of this ominous blood liquid, I noticed also some colorless cells in comparably lower numbers. These other peculiar blood cells have no defined shape and appear to be shape-shifting constantly. They are able to move over surfaces by crawling or use even swimming as modality of locomotion through fluids. My observations began with a surprise. I witnessed one of these formless, colorless cells inspecting one of the red blood cells in its vicinity. Could this peculiar act be an integrity check of the blood liquid, ensuring a functioning defense mechanism of the can opener organism? To test my hypothesis, I used some readily available cells called yeasts. Yeast pre-digest the can opener food, rendering it more readily processable for the can opener vital system. I will put these yeast cells to proper scientific use. Mixing the cells with the red can opener blood liquid readily obtained from my servant allowed me to uncover the true nature of these mysterious shape-shifting cells. The yeast cells are recognized as unknown or potentially harmful intruders and are being attacked. The shapeshifter cells defeat the attackers by swallowing, eating, and digesting them. Can openers refer to these cells as macrophages, which of course means big eater. The low complexity of can opener thinking is remarkable. Macrophages are an essential part of the can opener immune system, protecting the vital system from most pathogens by swallowing them, a process that is commonly known as phagocytosis. I have encountered this principle also in creatures called amoebas, found in the planet's ecosphere. These unicellular creatures also move and behave in an extremely similar way to the macrophages of the can opener's blood. How did amoebas become a part of the can opener organism? Could it be that can openers are essentially heated ponds contained by a thin protective layer lowering evaporation? How fascinating. Macrophages are the main defense line of the can opener organism. I wish these creatures good health so that the can openers can continue serving us well. My investigations on the can opener organism are very much a work in progress. Plans for more in-depth experiments are in the making. The incident with the can opener servant will have to be kept top secret. None of the above mentioned will appear in the official report. Recording for personal use only. Commander Snuggles, over and out.